Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, so the Silca special machine is all together now, it's all complete, and we're selling it with a keyboard over here. This is a 140 hook keyboard, 14 on a row times 10 rows, metal frame, and core flute backing on that one. So that's quite good. There is a few hooks around the back that are actually bent, but you're just going to need to very carefully bend them back in. They're all there, it's just one or two of them are bent. So we're pairing that up with this key machine here. Now this key machine, as you know if you've been watching the videos, we've put a new key cutter on it, a new cutting blade. The cutting blade alone is, sometimes worth about $200. We've put a new light on it. We fixed the gear problem. We've recalibrated it. Basically gave it a nice clean up and it's ready to go. So now's the time to do a little demonstration on how to cut a key or how it sounds when it's cutting a key. This is with 2 key lengths. Have a listen to this. So basically just taking the slightest fraction off the key and it's perfect. So it's ready to start cutting keys. Has this button on top here if you want to use the buffing wheel on the side here. So you simply just push that, engages the motor. It has the torch or the light on top, on, off. It has the mains power button on or off, and you can still use the torch even if you wanted to. So if you're looking at a lock or something, you could just pull this across, look at the lock or whatever you're doing, and then put it back. So that's optional if you want to use that. It's got the safety guide on the front here. It's got the automatic guide drop, so there's your shoulder guide. When you want to go, you just push this button down the bottom, bang, and then it's semi-automatic, backwards and forwards. That's all you've got to do to cut the key. And then just clip it back in. Alright, so there's a bag of keys that we can throw in as well. Just some old keys there. And the keyboard, more keys can be bought from our lock shop if you wish. But yeah, these two can go together and we'll list it as a fairly fair price. A new machine like this will cost you about $4,000 brand new. This one is 25 years old, so we're selling it for a few $100s. But compared to what you buy normally on eBay, I've been seeing some really beat up old key machines go for $500-600 on eBay. So that's why, we clean it up, and that's what makes this so much of a bargain. It's a good quality machine from the start. Yeah, it's got some years on it, but as you can see, it's still in beautiful condition, and it's going to last for many, many more years with the upgrades that we've done. So if you're interested in these, link is in the description, and leave your comments if you wish. Thanks for watching.